Me and my feet. My feet. Hey guys, welcome to another exciting episode. This is brought to you Growing Naturalist is my channel, and what we're talking about here is we're showing how to grow a lot of tomatoes, and we're going to show you how to produce a lot of them just from one tomato, and you should get a whole large variety like this. We just potted these yesterday, and what you can decide to do is if you have a lot of tomato trees, maybe you can create an income from it. You can duplicate a lot of tomatoes, and we're going to show them how to flourish. Also, one thing that you're going to have to remember, if you have chickens that roam around free, once they turn red, they're very attractive to chickens. So you might want to keep them away from the chickens, otherwise they just eat them like crazy. Do you feel like a chicken now? Oh, well, yeah, okay, alright, yeah, see, that's why they love it, But no, we're growing them. Cool, first thing you're going to need is half of a tomato. Second, cut it up into slices and lay them out thinly on top of soil. Second, grab a pot for your soil. Start off with your grass clippings to retain the water, just thinly. But not too much. Push it all the way to the bottom. Grab yourself some soil. Cool, and compact this part down. So you should have something that looks like this. As this goes, every single seed will sprout out. So what we need to do is that we need to cover a thin layer of soil on top. Just a thin layer, because that's what's needed. So at the end of it, you should have something like this. Just gently water on top. And what they'll do is that they'll settle everything in together. There we go. Cool. And that should do it. I'd say at best, wait probably about 2-3 weeks before you see results. The end result, you should have something like this. And this was from one slice of tomatoes. Now we've got a whole bunch of tomatoes here. Here's our other one. Another slice. Another slice. So you can see, if you grew these, you can see the potential. You grow these big enough, sell each tomato plant. Doesn't matter where you sell it. You can sell it to your neighbors, sell it at the farmer's market, sell it anywhere. Sell it to people on Facebook, sell it on TradeMe, eBay, anywhere that you can connect to people that are looking for tomato plants. And you should have an end production once you pot them. After you pot them, it should look like this. So this is some that we just individually planted today. These were all from grown tomato plants, and all we did was set them down, the slices, wait 2 weeks, then they start to show. Another 2 weeks after that, they start to sprout and grow quite large to this size. And if you put a lot of work into it, add in NPK fertilizer, add in compost fertilizer as well, you should get something like this. So this was a tomato plant. All of these were all grown from seed, and just with compost tea as well, definitely boosts how fast you can grow plants. So here's our pot. We're going to set it down right over here, not to forget about. And we've got one more tomato plant, well, tomato slice that we're going to give to Happy. So chickens love tomatoes. We're going to feed her a tomato, and you'll be able to see what you'll be able to grow tomatoes for. How's that? So keep your tomatoes high and out of reach of chickens, because they love eating them. You okay, Happy? Here you go. See, free range chickens love tomatoes.